Fantastic. Greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to all of you wonderful souls out there. Kiara Ducasse here today, and I'm so excited to be here with you guys. Blessings and love and light to all of you wonderful souls. Thank you, and welcome to the All Things Health and Wealth show. Me today, and I am super excited to be getting this content out to you guys. There's obviously been a crazy amount of action market this strong, and we have certainly an immense amount of energy and action to watch going forward. So let's get straight into that beautiful and blessed content right now. Remember, channel, if you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, I'm here and I'm waiting for you guys. So thank you very much for that. Definitely. Relevant and connecting. Without wasting any more time, let's get to it. And I need to read you guys your 3 quotes as well. Let's get straight to it, so give me one moment. But I'm also here and I'm busy plunging my mesquite coffee, and I'm pretty sure that you'd all love to see what that looks like. Boom. Plunger, mesquite coffee. It's mesquite. Really tastes absolutely delicious, and very, very nutritious and extraordinarily healthy. And I guess food is thy medicine, as I'm about to read to you guys. So I shall share with you what this deliciousness tastes like. But the great medicine of all is teaching people how not to need. If you are not your own doctor, you are a fool. And that's obviously, that comes from a place where you should be taking care of yourself. You should be listening to your body, your body's needs and what it wants. And you should be responding to that in a very positive way by giving it the foods that it wants. It doesn't necessarily want junk food, doesn't necessarily want healthy food, but it should be a balance between knowing what's making you sore, what's making you cramp, what's giving you headaches, so on and so forth, and how to respond to that with the correct diet, the correct nutrition to avoid those issues. So let's get straight to our beautiful content right here. Last quote. It's far more important to know what person the disease has than what disease the person has. I think I read that one to you guys last week. Just as food causes chronic disease, it can be the most powerful cure. We haven't done to you guys, I think. Let's go for this one. Healing is a matter of time, but it is sometimes also a matter of opportunity. And what is meant by that is that we are supposed to take the opportunity to heal ourselves through taking care of ourselves and individualizing ourselves. And that's exactly why we have all of these videos bring about certain health that really will help you forward. As I've recommended to you guys, please go down and like Synergy already in the Synergy Organics, our company, our Superfoods nutrition company, and basically you can go and get yourself invested in yourself and get some really happy, healthy nutrition that will take you to the next level in your life. The mesquite coffee, I'll share that with you now. Right, 1.4 hours is to come down. What we would call it, we cooling. The last 24 hours, Ethereum's pretty much been flat. But as you can see, this is action in the 24 hours. The coin at this top, very. Coin has been saying here, Cointelegraph, how to control stress and depression during a crypto winter. Bitcoin may hit 120k in this trade of flowing around Bitcoin price potential, but warnings also point to intense correlation with stocks. Yes, and we're going to talk about that in a little bit of a moment. So, BitMEX suspends withdrawals as CEO denies financial. U.S. Congressman for non-judicial actions against crypto companies. So crypto is getting fired at from all angles, and obviously this is happening because people can see what's going on. So here's something cool for you guys. Faucets or faucets, I would say faucet, and how do they work? So very simple way to literally absolutely awesome. And the last thing here, Bitcoin holds 5-week parabolic bear trend is over. Now, so let's go and have a look at the charts, and let's go, because the charts are for the dollar, so that we know what the dollar is doing. ETH, sorry. Is high, you can see to this level. So I'm very, very interested looking at that right now. So if it breaks that level, we know that it will probably come down to my red line here and find some support there. Upward, downward trend. So we may or may not have from heavy that probably here up. As you can see, we've got momentum, and we're pushing back up above the upward trending line. So you see how line we need to position ourselves the next okay. A little bit better and easier to look at, and that looks like we've a little bit. Yeah. Now back, but gapped again, which means the S&P. So let's see if we can get. We're going to back up. Pretty good. Let's go and have a very, very close look at the Bitcoin price chart. I need to show you on a clean chart before I go and look at our original Bitcoin chart, guys. I minimize it with Anya. We found I have to draw you. I might actually start to say that this could end a flag. Yeah. And I'm doing it on a little bit of a look the chart up. Yeah, that's where it was. Up. So if I have to, when in doubt, so by all means, guys, I am definitely not bearish at all from the stance of a long-term perspective. But if you have a look at this, okay, it's an upward momentum. It means it's gathering trend. We've got a triple bottom, so it's all signals that I would fail or reject at this level, and I'll go and show you one. Okay, even a bit lower to the blue line. If we break below the blue line and the trend line, we will find ourselves back into a bear space, into a bear market. To show you guys what that actually looks like. They all know bear flag. You take the pole of the flag, you put it down at exit, and you'll find. And I've said this to you guys before. Okay, I've pointed this out to you. Okay, but I will keep the here viewing of this chart is that definitely thought we had here, so it's a downward move. We literally fell through the ceiling, so this could yet again back up out that it couldn't come back down to this level again. A little bit very close is happening pretty much on most cryptos, guys. It's definitely going up. There's no doubt about it. But we broke out of the. We found some support on the ribbon and the red lines. And we need to close again. Well, guess what? We did. So I'm not saying it's not going to go, but I'm saying that like we've had quite a run here, and it can definitely go up. It's 80% and percent in a day, and that pretty much took it up quite an immense amount. But then it fell again directly after that. And would be this orange line, and you can see that's in huge resistance, and perhaps look at another. Okay, so I'm not a predictor of the market, but what I'm sharing with you is valuable here, and we just need to take cognizance of this into the space. So remember, let's delete this line. Remember I said to you, and I've said it to you here, look at the channel. So it broke out of the channel, this channel that I drew here, because the candle spiked here. We drew that in break support, but it's immediately at the point. Okay, we need to find some back down. Okay, back. Ethereum's already double top. This top is already lower than that top. We already fit. Yes, we might be, but we're over back, and we might look for some support back. But first, of course, the red line. Let's go and see whatever has. Find is the thing in the market. Be cautious. Of course, the markets are bullish long term over time. But for now, please remember to go ahead and like my video, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can get knocked up on my next video. Cheers to you with my mesquite coffee, and wow, delicious. Absolute beautiful blessings and love to you guys. Have a wonderful evening ahead. Take care.